Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $28,000. Bitcoin has gone from as low as $19,600 to as high as $28,400 in the last 1 month. Bitcoin is still the king of the market with a market cap of over $547 billion. In this video, we're taking a look at a Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Bitcoin has dropped to as low as $15,500 in this bear market. Right now, Bitcoin is currently heading towards its 100-week moving average. We currently sits around $34,000. Bitcoin has been stuck below the 100-week moving average since the 2nd of May 2022. And Bitcoin was trading around $35,000 then. Will Bitcoin be able to rally towards $34,000? Or will this rally come to an end before we get there? We'll also be looking at Bitcoin dominance in the market, which is currently increasing at a very rapid pace. Currently, Bitcoin dominance is at 47.68%. We'll also take a look at Bitcoin performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the total crypto market cap. Currently above $1.14 trillion. Are we going to break into new heights not seen since August of 2022? Or are we going to get rejected and start dumping to Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bitcoin hits $28,000 as uncertainty surrounds bank. Bitcoin price has surged past $28,000 zone, marking a 16% boost in value in the past 7 days. Bitcoin has been pumping. Bitcoin has rallied from as low as $19,000 on the 10th of March 2023. We've seen Bitcoin pump to as high as $28,400. And Bitcoin is still pumping to higher prices. Bitcoin is currently going through another bear market. And during Bitcoin bear markets, we always see Bitcoin dumping to Goblin Town. And Bitcoin did exactly that this bear market, going from as high as $69,000, dropping to as low as $15,000. Bitcoin dropped by more than 77% in this bear market. Right now, we're still having a bear market rally. Right now, Bitcoin is still pumping to higher prices. We thought the rally would have been over when Bitcoin started dumping towards $19,000, but Bitcoin has given us a huge pump in the last 7 days. Will Bitcoin get to $34,000 before this rally comes to an end, or can Bitcoin sustain this momentum? Maybe for the first time since May of 2022, maybe just maybe Bitcoin can rally above the 100-week moving average, because Bitcoin has huge resistance around that $28,500 region. We saw Bitcoin having some bounce off that level in June of 2021. If we're lucky in this bear market rally, Bitcoin might still pump even to as high as $31,000 or $32,000. But there's a lot of rumors in the markets. People are already saying Bitcoin can go to $1 million in the next 90 days. Guys, I don't think that will be possible. I don't think we're going to see Bitcoin accelerate at that kind of pace in the next 90 days. Even when Bitcoin went from as low as $5,000 to as high as $69,000, it took Bitcoin quite the month to get there. Bitcoin took around 392 days before it rallied up 1,000%. And if we're calling for Bitcoin to go to $1 million in the next 90 days, Bitcoin will have to rally up crazy by more than 2,000% if we are to see Bitcoin go towards $1 million in the next 90 days. I think that Bitcoin will get to $1 million in the future. I don't just think that will happen in the next 90 days. One of the key levels we're paying attention to for Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks will be around this $28,500 region. Maybe if we see Bitcoin rallying towards the $32,000 region, that will be a smart place to take some profits off the table. That will mean Bitcoin would have rallied up more than 100% in this bear market rally. Bear market rallies are designed to trick you. Right now, we have seen greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. We have seen fear in the market for quite a number of months. We have seen extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market since May of 2022. We were deep in extreme fear in May of 2022. Right now in 2023, we are seeing greed return back to the market. So maybe, just maybe, we are already getting to the end of this rally. You want to be buying extreme fear, you want to be selling extreme greed, and extreme greed might just be returning to the crypto market in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If we take a look at crypto market, Bitcoin has been rallying well in the last 1 week, even though all coins in the market are not pumping as hard as Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is still the king of the market. If you want to buy some Bitcoin right now in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next huge pumps that Bitcoin will come our way, can buy some Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Bitfinex, on Bitstamp, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Bitcoin right there. Moving on to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is currently pumping to higher prices. This might be bad news for altcoins, but if you're holding Bitcoin, this is music to your ears, as that means Bitcoin is taking over the market. And that's what we usually see deep in the bear market. When Bitcoin bottom is probably in, we'll see Bitcoin dominance shooting up to higher prices. That's because in the end, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance dumping to Goblin Town, and so that all coins will start pumping to the moon. But before we start dumping to Goblin Town, we have to pump to higher prices. Now, how high can Bitcoin dominance go? If we continue pumping to higher prices at this pace, we might see Bitcoin dominance cross 50% for the first time since April of 2021. But Bitcoin dominance might actually have some difficulties when we start getting to that 52 to 53% region. If we are very lucky in this bear market and Bitcoin dominance can rise up to higher prices so that the altcoin season that will come after it will be glorious, we might see Bitcoin dominance work its way towards the 58% region. Because guys, from where we're currently trading, if we see Bitcoin dominance working its way up to the 58% region, it means Bitcoin dominance will increase by more than 22% in the market. And who will bear all the brunt of Bitcoin dominance increasing? That will be altcoins. We might just see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town, and we're already seeing a little signs that tell us that maybe altcoins are in for a ride in the next few months as Bitcoin will continue leading the charge over the market. Altcoins have not been able to set new highs above where they were trading in August of 2022. But if you take a look at Bitcoin market cap, Bitcoin has gone above there. Bitcoin's market cap in August of 2022 was around $485 billion. Right now, Bitcoin's market cap is back around $548 billion. Will Bitcoin continue pumping to higher prices? We might just see the market cap get to as high as $650 billion in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, they're having huge difficulties rallying above that August 2022 price. Guys, all coins might be very volatile in the coming days and the coming months as Bitcoin continues rallying to higher prices. We're already seeing Bitcoin outperforming Ethereum. Since September of 2022, Bitcoin has outperformed Ethereum by more than 31%, and that might continue in the coming days and in the coming weeks. We're currently at Bitcoin season, so if you see all coins dumping to Goblin Town, guys, just remember, Bitcoin will have its time in the sun. All coins will also have their time in the sun. But anytime we're in Bitcoin season, that's the time to start accumulating all coins, anticipating the next pump to the upside. And if that pump is going to come to the upside, how high do you see Bitcoin going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Will Bitcoin finally get above its 100-week moving average, currently sit around $34,000, or Bitcoin will turn on itself and start heading down to Goblin Town? Guys, bear markets can be long, bear markets can be very brutal, but one thing is for sure, Bitcoin probably has bottom or is closer to the bottom than we are to the top, and greed is returning to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices, and after Bitcoin pumps, all coins pumps, or after Bitcoin pumps, all coins dumps. But we know that Bitcoin dominance is going to be increasing in the coming days and the coming weeks. The only question is, will all coins pump with Bitcoin, or will all coins wait for Bitcoin to finish pumping and will all coins start dumping with Bitcoin? If the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin cannot take out the highs that we set in April of 2022, be ready to see Bitcoin taking charge of the market in the coming weeks and in the coming months. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.